Guys, thank you for visiting us here at LEDOutfitters.com. Wanted to do a close-up video of our new Micro Slim full-size light bar. Made out of solid black aluminum housing. It has universal mounting feet, which are adjustable to adjust the height of it. Again, we have pictures of this light bar on the website, but you can't really see the amazingness of this light bar unless you actually hold it in your hand. Many different flash patterns, many different features. It has, this one is utilizing our 5-watt LEDs. It has front lighting, rear lighting, takedowns in alleys, traffic advisor, cruise mode. Whatever you need in a light bar, this light bar has. It has a dim mode, but if my cameraman could come closer so you guys could see the thickness of this light bar, it's as thin as a quarter. A quarter is actually longer than this light bar. I've done it in multiple of our different other videos. Questions, comments, love hearing from you guys. Again, this is our Micro Slim full-size light bar. It's available in many different lengths and sizes. If you have any specific questions, let us know. If you check the video we just did, there's another video on the website which shows all the different features and the special functionalities of this light bar that no other company was able to incorporate in this light bar like we did. Love hearing from you guys. This light bar is utilizing our 5-watt LEDs. If my cameraman can shut off the flash patterns and so you guys could only see the takedowns, it would be amazing. And the alleys, again, you could put these on separate switches if you wanted to. Now, if you could just turn on the cruise mode, there's 3 cruise modes. Cruise mode 1, which is the sides. Cruise mode 2, which is only these modules here and the sides. And cruise mode 3 is all the modules lit up at once. Also, another feature on this light bar that I love, which is amazing, which I don't think many companies incorporate into their light bars, is the dim feature. Again, I'm more into brightness. I'm more into let everything be bright. The brighter it is, the better it is. But I've had customers say at night it's too blinding, dim it down a little. So we did do that. These micro modules have great off-axis lighting, which you could see it at a 180-degree angle. Great head-on lighting as well. Another feature on this light bar, it has 3 modes. Mode 1, you could set it on a specific flash pattern, fast, slow, steady, whatever you want to do. Then you could go to a mode 2, which is a different flash pattern. Again, my cameraman is using our Intel control box to show all these different features as I speak. There's a 3rd mode as well. We have it set right now on a different flash pattern as well, where your takedowns and alleys are flashing along with the amber modules. This light bar comes in many different flash patterns. It has many different color combinations available on the drop-down menu on the website and comes in many different lengths. Questions, comments, love hearing from you guys. And again, this is our Micro Slim full-size light bar, and we have many different products coming out. Keep checking out the website. Thank you. Have a great and blessed day.